Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download supplier feeds from Spocket, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download supplier feeds from Spocket, begin by logging into your Spocket account. Once you are on the dashboard, navigate to the suppliers section in the main menu. In the suppliers section, you will see a list of all your suppliers. Locate the supplier whose feed you wish to download. Click on the supplier's name to access their profile. In the supplier profile, look for the Products tab. Here, you will see a list of all products provided by the selected supplier. At the top right corner of the product list, find the Download button. Click on the Download button to initiate the process. A prompt will appear, asking you to choose the format for the feed. Select your preferred file format from the available options. After selecting the format, click on the Download button in the prompt. The feed will now start downloading to your device. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder to locate the file. You can now open the file to view the supplier feed. Ensure that the data meets your requirements for integration or analysis. If necessary, repeat the process for other suppliers as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.